This past week, Genie 3 just came out, and I believe it is one of the best models that I've seen when it comes to world building. It is a new frontier world model, and it just does some amazing things. I know I'm a little bit late when it comes to covering it, but I just had to because of how amazing it is. So here you can see the progression of our Genie 3. It was because of VO, so you saw VO 3 and its amazing abilities. It is because of VO that we are able to get Genie 3, and I'm just impressed. I hope I can get my hands on this as quickly as possible. It has been given to a few testers, and they are trying to apply it right now and giving us amazing feedback. So you can see here from Game Engine, it was only able to generate 320p videos, and it was game specific, and you can see here it only had a few seconds and it was real time. And you can see here comparing Genie 2 to Genie 3, this is a world apart difference. Here you can see Genie 2 was only able to generate 360p videos, but Genie 3 is able to generate up to 720p. Here it is only 3D environments. Genie 3 is general. Genie 2 is a limited keyboard and mouse interaction, but this has navigation and promptable world events. Genie 2 can only generate up to 20 seconds, but here you can see Genie 3 goes up to multiple minutes. This is not real time and this is real time. And I believe it's only because of VO that we're able to get Genie 3 currently. I believe it has some VO capabilities underneath there. This is just what makes Genie 3 as close to AGI as we have ever gotten in a long time right now, because it is able to do a lot of things. Here you can see it's able to do world building, animation, physical simulation, gameplay, natural world simulation, location and historical sighting, and pushing real capabilities of our frontier models right now. Here it can do modeling physical properties of the world. You can see a small tractor interacting with a volcanic terrain, and this is very accurate. The physical simulation, you can see the vapor rising from the volcano, which is quite impressive. And when it comes to the movement of the tractor, it is the best that we've seen so far. World simulation, you can see here someone navigating through the natural world, and this is amazing. And gameplay, as you can see from this is animation and fiction. You're interacting with this Pokemon looking character and just moving about. You can see jumps on the rainbow. This is a location and historical sighting. You can move around and see from where you are, be able to interact with the world. This combined with Google Earth would be a very good innovation, because it will be able to take you through an environment real time. This can be a very good use case for using Gen 3. And another thing that you notice is Gen 3 has object permanency. So when you see something, most of the world builders, they're not able to return an object when you move past it or when you make an action. But when you using Gen 3, it has object permanency. As you can see, there's a double handle cap, the apple and the tree, and when you come back later, you still find the same image on the board. Most models cannot do this. Actually, not any model can do this. Another interesting feature that Gen 3 has is promptable world events. You can see you are able to navigate through the world and be able to prompt it as you go. This is a very good example of this. Here we're given this environment, and you can just click on a bear, so you can say a bear passes through, and there a bear passes. And here you can also see a horse rider. Just prompt it for the horse rider, and a horse rider is going to pass through. And if you wanted to see a hot air balloon, there you have hot air balloons. This is amazing. Here another interesting feature is you just can be having this video, and then it asks you what event should happen next. If you say banana skydiver, there you can see a banana skydiver, a deer head, and in the foreground you'll see a deer head. Again, if you say Gen 3 skier, here you can see a Gen 3 skier. This is quite impressive. And another example is this scene in London, where here you can say, I want to see a chicken suit runner, and there you have a chicken suit runner. A dragon, and there you have a dragon. And if you want a jet ski, you have a jet ski. I will leave a link in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. Overall, this is a very impressive model, and if you think this is going to replace 3D artists, just add in the comments, what jobs do you think this is going to replace? It has been Quantum Minds AI. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.